Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about my nail paint collection. Well, I am a teenager, like no longer a teenager since the past 2 years, but then I have collected nail paints. I am not a big nail paint fan because I usually don't get time enough for applying nail paints, but today I was applying nail paint, and then I thought, why not shoot a video regarding my nail paint collection. So if you want to know about my nail paint collection, then please keep on watching. Okay, so talking about the nail paints, first I would like to show you all the Nika collection. The Nika ones are around 200 bucks, so I bought quite a lot of it because I like the nail paint range they have, and the colors, especially the matte ones. So I'm going to start off with the first one. This is the first nail paint. I hope you can see. This is the color I'm wearing right now. So this is the Nika matte nail lacquer. This is the shade Emerald Isle, that is 118. It's a really good shade. If you can see my hand, it's like a blackish green. From far you can just make it out that this is black, but then if you get close, it's a kind of a darkish green. So I'm a person personally who likes darker shades, though I have a lot of lighter shades in my collection, but then I prefer going for darker shades. I don't know why, but then I love dark colors. So the second one I'm going to talk about is another one from Nika. This is the Nika Nail Enamel. This is the shade On Top. This is 274. I think this is their normal nail paint collection wala thing. This is not matte. So this is a quite good color. This is pinky. Uh, this is quite kind of a muted pink color. So this is really good for everyday wear. I'm really like using these all up so that I can get new nail polishes in my collection, because I'm not really a nail polish person, nail paint person, but then at times I feel like, why not apply. So the other one I'm going to talk about is from their wedding edition. This is Mink Muffin. This is really famous. This is really a good shade. This is like the shade you get. Forgive me for the noise. So this is like the shade you get in the lipstick Maybelline crayon lipstick in the shade Mauve 1. That is the lip gradation range. So that is exactly this color. You'll love this. I have, as you can see, I have used it completely and it's almost khatam. So this is really a good shade. And the next one, let's go on a bit quick because I will show you more than just Nika. So I have a lot of other nail paints, but mostly all of them are from Nika only. So the other one, again I'm going to show you the matte one. This is a bluish black color. This is the shade Squid Ink Moves. This is number 14. This is from the Nika matte collection, and if you compare this one and this one side by side, now you can make out the difference. This is kind of a greenish black, this is a bluish black, so this is also really good. The next one I would go on to this one. I have a lot of Nika range ka nail polishes, the different collections. So from that every collection I have one. So this one is the cookie crumble one. So this is the variant strawberry crinkle 194. This is a cute strawberry color, and the one gooey marshmallow in this range is also really good. This is a pinkish nude and it's really good. I can't show you because half of it is dried up, but then I hope you can make it out. I don't know. So this is like completely used up. Okay, I'll just fix it. So let's dive into the next one. The next one I have here is the Lakme Color Crush Nail Art. This one I got as a gift from one of my students. Yeah, I do teach, so I got a gift from him. This particular nail paint. This is in the variant S4. This is a purpley glittery kind of a nail paint, if you can make out. I don't know, I hope you can see. This is the nail paint. So this is a purpley lavender kind of a glittery thing. The next one I have, again it's from Nykaa. This is the 7-in-1 nail spa all-in-one coat. So after you apply any nail polish, be it of any 90 rupees, 90 bucks ka nail polish or anything, any nail polish, and if you want to take care of your nails at the same time, you can just top it up with this coat. This is like a 7-in-1 nail coat. I hope it's visible. So this is the 7-in-1 nail spa. It does the job of everything all in one. So it's really good. I use it often, not much, but then if I don't apply any nail polish, I also apply it like essay without any nail polish. The next one I'm going to go for the TS range. This is the TS nail enamel. This is in the variant Blue Ocean. Not Blue Ocean, this is Sweet Ocean. So this is a really good shade, a light blue kind of a color, good for everyday wear, good for college going girls. And I have quite a few from their range because that's really affordable and it's really good. The next one I have again from the TS nail enamel range. This is rose quartz, but this one, if you see, this is kind of a muted pink, but then it has a lot a lot of white in it, so it doesn't suit my skin tone that much because it looks like faded out because it has a lot of white in this. But then if you're really fair, you can go for this, and otherwise it won't suit your skin tone. So this is the thing, rose quartz right here. The next one I'm going to talk about is another one from the TS nail enamel, because whenever you have a like nail paint range with you, nail paint collection with you, you have to have a black color. So this one is Midnight Beauty. This is a simple black color nail polish I have right here. Actually, I'm not a nail person, like nail polish person, nail paint person, but then at times I feel like it's better to collect if I need it later on. And the next one is Mystique. This is kind of a deep, neonish kind of an orangey red color, I would say. But this is not that much of a neon, but it's kind of a bright mixture of red, pink, and orange. This is good kind of for weddings and all that. The next one I have is LA18. LA18 has to be in every person, like every teenager's drawer, because it's just so good and affordable. So this one I have is the shade 135. This is kind of like a popping yellow, kind of bright yellow color I have right here. The next one I have is another one, a bright pinky orangey color. This is the shade 130. This is really good. I kind of mix this and the yellow one and make something out of it on my nails whenever I'm bored. The next one I have is 40. This is a very good silver color right here. I hope you can see. And the last one I have is a transparent one, because whenever I used to be in my school life, like when I used to be in my school life, I used to always get that thing that you're not supposed to apply nail polish and all that. So at times I used to apply this transparent thing because it's allowed and nobody would even understand. Though I'm not telling you all to do this, but I used to do that personally. So this is all I have. I have around 15 nail paint shades, and I use it quite often. Some of it I have loved, like the mink muffin and the black color obviously, and then there's emerald isle, which I'm wearing right here. So I really love these shades and I've used them up completely. So if you want to buy any of these, you are free to do so. That was all about my nail paint range and my collection, whatever I have right here. So if you really like this video, do give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel right there and click the bell icon so that you never miss an update from me, and keep on supporting me like this, and forgive the noise. Bye.